can't even move my lips properly. Hey y'all, so it's in the morning right now and my face is really swollen, so don't mind me. So over on this channel, every end of the year, it means unboxing season. So last year we did an 11/11 haul and we also did an unboxing for my iPad. So this year, it's something similar as well. Today's video is all about unboxing my new Apple Watch. Recently, I dropped by the Apple shop over in Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. And it's basically a really beautiful place. So it's like a dome-shaped building. There's like some light going into the dome and it's really looking really nice in there. It's really an experience. Here it is. It's my Apple Watch. Oh man. So let's open her up. So this is a Series 6 40mm. Here there's two things over here. One is the watch itself and secondly would be the strap. So let's start with the strap or the watch. Okay, let's talk about the watch. Oh, this is so exciting! I'm going to be opening up this flap. This up. There is my watch right there. I bought the smaller one, which is the 40mm one, purely because my wrists are really very small. As much as I wanted like a bigger screen to work with, which is like the 44mm if I'm not wrong, if I were to buy a bigger one, it's gonna look like too bulky. So this size is already almost going to be like the width of my wrist. So this is rather quite big for me already. Here we go! Ah! This is the rose gold shade and the rose gold really looks so good. So I stood at the shop for like, I don't know, half an hour trying to figure out what color I wanted. I was choosing between the space grey, the white one, and this gold one, which is like a rose gold kind of shade. But in the end, I went with the rose gold because I know will complement my skin tone and at the same time, it's also a little bit more feminine. If I had days where I'm not feeling so feminine, I can just change out the strap. Let me open up the strap now because I don't want to be holding the Apple Watch like that way. It's gonna drop and yeah, that's like gonna be a tragedy. So I decided to go with like a silicone one, which is the sports band. So in terms of colors, they had a lot of colors to choose from. But this is like a seasonal color, which is Cyprus green, if I'm not wrong. Something green. Ah yes, it's called Cyprus green. I chose this because it was limited edition. I knew myself that I'm gonna go get like a lot of other bands. There are instructions for you to learn how to put your strap in. There is also my strap. It's like a dark minimalist kind of a green that is like trending right now. This one was the one that I just took out from here. And basically this is like a smaller size and this is like a bigger size. So they come in two sizes. For myself, a small size will do. It's already very big for me. And it's in. I really went with like a contrasting color and like a strap color because I think going too simple is like a bit boring. So I went with like contrasting colors and I never knew that rose gold and like forest green color would look so good together. So in the box itself, it also comes with a charging cable. It doesn't come with a power plug, by the way, so you need to have your own what's that called? The plug, the header plug, the head plug, the plug head. So it's a very nice clip. Oh, it sounds so good. The clip you hear here is a very gentle magnetic clip, if you know what I mean. It might be the material on this. This is the kind of things that I enjoy from buying an Apple product. So the product design is really very well thought out. So in the meantime, I also wanted to let you guys know like how great Apple is. So I'm gonna put a screen up over here, and basically when you buy an Apple Watch, it actually comes with a complimentary personal session where they teach you how to use whatever product that you're buying. Go through the process together, because this is like my first time knowing or like realizing that there is actually like a tutorial session with somebody to teach you about the Apple Watch or like an Apple product or whatever. So I'm interested in the watch. Please let us know which watch topics you want to cover. Select up to 2. I think I will choose health and fitness because this is like a series 6 and it has like the whole ECG health thing. That was also one of the reasons why I liked the series 6 as well. I don't really need like super deep tutorials on stuff, so that's why I chose health and fitness and very generic apps and essentials. Yeah, so let's continue. What do you need? Not acceptable. Okay, not acceptable. So today is Christmas Eve, that's why maybe there's no online sessions, I'm not sure. But yes, the point is, I just wanted to let you guys know that there is something like that to teach you guys how to use your Apple Watch if you need to. So my Apple Watch is here, and I do have to have it charged before I can even do anything. All the Apple products that I bought, even the iPad from last year, it all has this function. If you bring your new product to the phone, it will connect by itself, and this is what I'm gonna do. Oh wow! So now on my Apple Watch, there is this weird ass looking cellular thing. It's like kind of like a QR code. And it's paired. On which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? My left wrist. This is so cool, guys! Okay, workout route tracking. Apple Watch workouts use your location to track routes and local weather for outdoor week. Okay, enable. So I can see the size of what I want over here. I think I can go smaller. Nah, I don't think I need the bold text. The next one would be activity app. So let me set up my details and I'll get back shortly. Next, we have the blood oxygen app. This is the feature that is exclusive to the Series 6. Pay maybe later. Tailor your clock face on your watch or in the Apple Watch app. Okay, so now it's, I guess, downloading everything. There is an intro section for you to see what are the different controls for. So that is really helpful for me. So this is gonna take some time to sync up. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go and watch some shows. I'm watching Love Island right now. It's like draggy but trashy. So I'll come back right after this is done syncing. So we're back and the Apple Watch is done. Now I even have like my own Apple Watch screen on my iPhone, and this is like so damn cool. I guess the most important thing of today is to actually wear the watch and see how it looks like. I have a watch, oh my god. This is the first wear of my Apple Watch, and this is how it's looking like, and it's looking great. So this is how it looks on my wrist. Yeah. So I'll probably spend some time tonight to set this up properly. Thank you guys for unboxing this with me. If you like this video, although I think there's not much helpful stuff except my screams. But anyway, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe down below. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Bye!